Most people will never succeed. That's not an opinion, it's a fact. Research shows that 90% of people fail to achieve their biggest goals. But why? Is it lack of talent, resources, luck? No, it's something much deeper. And if you don't fix it, you'll be stuck forever. The secret is backed by science, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. The hidden science of failure. Studies reveal that most people sabotage their own success. It's not external obstacles, it's internal. The brain is wired to resist change. That's why most people quit too soon. Scientists call it cognitive dissonance. When your mind fights against your goals. But the elite 10%, those who succeed, do something different, and you can do it too. The success formula almost no one knows.
Whatever you do, you've got to be a little bit gone to it. You're not all there. You've got to be almost insane to your craft.
Success isn't about working harder, it's about working differently. The richest, most successful people in history, Elon Musk, Oprah, Jeff Bezos, follow a hidden pattern. It's not motivation fades. It's something more powerful, neuroplasticity. The shocking science behind how your brain rewires itself to make success automatic. The 3-step brain hack for success. Step 1, identity shift.
Right now. Everybody stop talking now. Attention. I told you, all of my critics, I told you all that I was the greatest of all time.
And you must see yourself as successful before it happens. This isn't just mindset, it's backed by neuroscience. Step 2, environmental engineering. Change your surroundings, not just your habits. Example, Warren Buffett's daily routine. Buffett's daily routine typically starts at 6:45 am. After getting 8 hours of sleep a night, instead of coffee, tea, or even water, Buffett's go-to drink first thing in the morning is a can of Coke. He also likes to stop by McDonald's to grab breakfast. When he arrives at the Berkshire Hathaway offices, a majority of his time is spent reading. He estimates that 80% of his daily work routine is spent on reading materials, ranging from financial statements, journal and business reports, to newspapers and books. He also avoids scheduling meetings or appointments in advance, fiercely protecting his time. In the evening, Buffett is usually in bed by 10:45 pm and he likes to sleep 8 hours a night. He has been quoted saying, "I have more fun here than I think any 88-year-old is having virtually in the world." Step 3, Micro wins. Trick your brain into progress by setting tiny, winnable goals. But even if you follow these steps, there's still one deadly trap that keeps people stuck: the silent killer of success. The biggest reason people fail: they try to do it alone. Success is never solo. Even the most successful people had mentors, coaches, and communities. Example, Jeff Bezos had a network of advisors, Steve Jobs had mentors, and there is one final step that takes you from good to unstoppable: the final bit. Success isn't about talent or luck, it's about leveraging science, systems, and identity shifts. If you use these techniques, success becomes inevitable, but if you ignore them, you'll stay stuck forever. It's your choice. What's the one habit you'll change today? Drop a comment below. Share this with someone who needs to hear this.